For the record, Bob's got no pineapple in his Hi Bob.
Hi Bob.
Hope everybody's well. Hope you're all good. Hope life's treating you good. And Saturday night, it's round again. Ribs from California.
Yeah. Quite chunky little, like short ribs, aren't they?
Now, they're different ribs. These are different. Costilla Tilo de Ferro Vacío, WQ, whatever that is, I don't know. But the Cerdo Costilla Tila is different to the ones, there's some other ones. So these were $8.49 a kilo. The other ones were like €5 or €6 a kilo, but they were scrawny. I think it's a different part or a different cut of ribs, I think. I don't know much, I'm not a butcher. Maybe Chris tells from Caveside will tell us.
It's got a bit of the loin on it as well, look.
Yeah, so they are quite chunky. Helen's not decided how she's doing them yet. We will, at some point, we're going live tonight. We think so. Have a look in the back catalogue. We might be able to link it up. From Thailand, we got this. We bought these from a 7-Eleven. No idea what flavour they are. We can't remember.
Wings.
For the wings. Unfortunately, I pressed stop on the camera and then Helen kicked the water bowl all over the kitchen. We all do it. We all end up tripping over the water bowl. And if it's not the water bowl, it's the dogs. Look, I've got old man there. Idiot there. And these two. Look at that. She's in for a trim next week. Not sure if it'll be in this vlog or next vlog. She's not been trimmed before. Ribs are in the oven. We don't know what we're doing. Helen's basically put the chicken wings in with, I've used all of them, yeah?
Yeah.
All of the
spices.
Spices, flavours.
The packet spice. Is that all of them gone then?
Yes. Helen's going to make some pate because I said we've not had pate in ages. It's homemade pate. It's so easy to make. Really, you need to get the chicken livers from Carrefour, not Mercadona, because the chicken livers in Mercadona have heart and lungs and crap in them. This is a bit weird because we're actually live, but also doing it for you guys. So yeah, an eldo is dill. So onions, garlic, oil, pepper. Bob's going to get some thyme and some sage.
Yeah.
She needs quite a bit of butter for later on.
Yeah, well, while I'm cooking it, I'll really put a full block of butter because if you don't put enough butter in it, it does not set.
Yeah.
So the butter helps to set it. And I also put a bit of brandy in it. I used to go to a place in England that did pate as a start for homemade pate, and they used to put champagne in it.
Oh, right, different.
So...
Not a fan of champagne, though, to be honest.
I've got some lemon thyme. Only got a little bit of each.
You can smell it from here.
I've got some sage. And
Have you grown that?
Yeah, I've grown that. And
We've not had sage for ages.
And I've also got some basil.
Oh, it's the basil I can smell.
Just smell
it's the basil I can smell.
Okay, yeah.
Right, so sage, we've not had sage for ages. You struggle, you don't see dried sage very often.
Chicken livers are actually really soft and lovely. Except that
easy to cook.
they are.
Except that one looks a bit sinewy.
And then you can, I'm cutting the sinew out, look.
I mean, look at this. This is literally cutting just with scissors. If you can hear okay. You can see that the herbs, the garlic and the onion are softened.
I mean, you can actually just do chicken livers, not in a patty, and they're delicious. They taste completely different to other liver.
I can see you partially cooked the livers and then butter, brandy. Are you going to flame it or not?
No. So we've got the chicken livers cooking, we've got the butter, lots and lots of butter in it, we've got the garlic, the onions, the herbs, salt and pepper, and that'll be it. So I'll cook it till it's cooked, and then put it in the blender, and that's it, done.
That's the cooked livers, onions, garlic, and herbs. What the hell? Are you ill? Are you ill?
I'm badly.
Bob's poorly.
No, you don't want any of this.
Is it crap? Don't come.
That's beautiful.
Here we go, live done. This is where we're at because a lot of people that were in the live won't see this. This is the wings done in the Thai seasoning.
The star of the show's got to be the patty, though.
Oh, without a doubt. If you can hear us, because the dogs are doing the usual trick of drinking lots. So that is the chicken wings.
Oh, they are the chicken wings.
They do smell good. Helen made the patty, added herbs when she made it, and it's... Helen's going to make a lasagna, and we'll show you what it's like. We did it a few weeks back, so we're not going to bother filming it again, but we'll show you what it looks like when it's done later. Let's see if I can do this. 2 hands, 1 hand, no hands. Today, look at my little girl, Muffit. She hates having a bath. She's looking like a scruffy nerf herder. So, normally I go to the groomers at the vets, but the groomer at the vets has now left. So we're trying a new one. Hopefully she'll look pretty good when she comes out. We hope. Come on, Baba. In you get. Good girl. There's a good girl. Sit down. Good girlie. See how we get on? Look at her. Ooh, check these out. Still not showed you Bob's allotment for a while. He's brought these in because Helen said he told her that they weren't doing out. So what we've actually got is some baby carrots. I'm guessing they're going to be quite sweet. Don't forget, September the 28th, which I think is going to be, by the time you see this, a week on Saturday, 3 o'clock, YouTubers meet up. We will be at the Oasis San Luis. It's for Mike and Yvonne Between the Lakes 4th YouTube anniversary. There's Mike and Yvonne going to be there, us Brits living in Spain. Salty Pixie's going to be there, Millie Moments, All About Spain with Barry Haler. Steve the Rambling Irishman has gone to Thailand. And Tales from the Cave Side. Unfortunately, Lillian's dad needs an operation, so she's gone back to the UK, so they're unable to make it. Come and join us. Good for a chinwag. No charge for admission. Everybody's welcome, including other YouTube channels, social media guys, you know, that thing. And then also coming up, here's us with a begging hat out again for your coppers. We're doing a sponsored walk on Sunday, the 6th of October. It's at La Mata, it's in aid, and the poster's here. It's in aid of the San Jose Obrero Orphanage. If anybody wants to join in, get in touch. We'll put the QR code here, or visit t.onco.com to get in touch with us. If you want to take part and want some sponsor forms, or if you want to sponsor us, that'd be great. Much appreciated. And also, in the future, we've got some more videos coming out. But take a look at this to whet your appetite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, give us a like, subscribe, ring that bell if you've enjoyed yourselves, and we'll catch you in the next one. Hasta pronto.